Alright, fellow beauty babes, it is Ella and I am back! So if you guys already seen my summer dew tutorial, this is the complete opposite. I am doing a matte skin material going on over here. I did also a little cut crease, little summery, vibrant vibes kinda. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys do that right now or during the video or after video, but just subscribe to my channel. But anyway, let's just get to this tutorial. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is apply some First Aid Beauty. This is the Ultra Repair Cream, and I'm just applying this everywhere on my face, a little bit down my neck as well. And now I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera. So I went ahead and added some masking tape, and I already applied some Plouise Base onto my lids, and the base I used was a 5. It's a little dark, but I actually do like it. Going in with my Lexi 205 brush and the Plouise palette, I'm going to be tapping into Burnt, and I am just going to be packing this shadow all over the upper half of my crease. On top of my crease. And I am just going to be going in circular motions, buffing that in, and then also dragging it out. Dragging it all the way out. Grabbing some more product, and then just blending it towards the inner corner. Gotta make sure you guys really blend right here, or else it's going to look pretty harsh. And we don't want that. So as you guys saw, I'm going in circular motions, and I'm also hitting it with some windshield wiping motions as well, kind of dusting it towards the center of my lid. Just cleaned out my brush, and I'm going to use Sunkissed and Plouise, and I'm just going to blend that right on top of Burnt. That way it doesn't look too harsh. And then don't forget to blend the outer corner as well, because we don't want the line to look way too harsh. Grabbing more of Plouise, and I'm just dusting that right on top of Sunkissed. Grabbing Burnt, and I'm just intensifying the crease. I felt as if I almost lost that color, so I just wanted to go ahead and intensify a little bit more. Just cleaned out my brush again. I'm using the same brush. You guys can totally do that. No rules to makeup. Oh, I got all this hair right here. I'm gonna go in with Queen and Contour. And I'm just applying that at the end of my lid and then blending it towards the tape. Just adding some reddish warmth to the ends. And I'm totally digging it. Totally digging it. Just packing this color right there. Yes, nice. Now it's time to cut the crease. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Plouise shade. This is the first shade that they came out with. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply that with my flat brush from Ulta. And I'm gonna start carving out my crease. You want to make sure you pick up enough product, especially when you're cutting out the crease, so that way your brush doesn't skip. Now I'm just packing this so it's nice and tacky. Now I'm going to go in with Bruh. This shade is from the Violet Voss palette. It was actually a collaboration with Nicol. Grabbed a little bit of more of Bruh and just packing this onto my crease. I know it looks a little harsh right here, but don't worry, we're gonna fix that. I just really wanted to pack Bruh on first before I start blending that in. Going in with the Morphe M433 brush, I went ahead and grabbed Contour and Martini, and now I'm just blending these shades together. And I'm just going back and forth with Bruh and Queen and Contour, just making sure I get that nice ombre effect, because I don't want it looking too harsh. So as you see, I have like both. I'm just going back and forth, back and forth. I felt like it was just a little off, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab a little bit of Sunkissed in my packing brush And I am just gonna lightly blend that in between Bruh and Queen mixed with Martini, or contour. Queen mixed with contour. I want to add some highlights. I'm gonna go ahead and get Zozo and just apply that on the arch of my brow. This is like a nice goldish color. Now that that's over and done with, we're just gonna remove the tape. Going back with the Plouise Shade 5, mixing it in with the Plouise original shade. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that underneath the eyes and just sharpening up this line as well. And now I'm just dragging it down. Now I'm just putting a little pat, 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 like how Plouise says. Just like my girl says it. She's not even my girl, I just really love her. Now it's time to buff out our lower lash line. Going in with Plouise, which is the yellow shade, I'm just gonna buff it right under my lash line. Not too down though, but just enough so you can kind of see it. I don't want to focus too much on the lower eye because I don't want it to take away from the masterpiece that we did right here, honey. Now I'm grabbing Burnt and Queen, mixing those two shades together, tapping out the excess so I don't get any fallout, and I'm just applying that onto our waterline. And just giving it a good blend. Just like that, that's it, nothing else. Going back in with Zozo, I'm just gonna add some highlight right there. Time to add some lashes from my collection. The lashes I'm gonna be going in today are called Spread'em. The reason why I call these lashes Spread'em is because the lashes are literally spread out. Oh my god, they're absolutely beautiful, especially when doing a look like this. And right now I'm actually applying some primer. The primer I'm going in with is a Smashbox Primerizer. So matte. I want to do a matte look. So the foundation I'm gonna be going in with is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid. I absolutely love this foundation, especially when I'm going matte. And I didn't take it all the way up. I'm just bringing it low right there, right underneath where I left the concealer. And I'm just blending that down. Alright guys, so unfortunately I had to do a voiceover. My son had to take a bath, and the bathroom is connected to my room. And of course, when he takes a bath, he likes to listen to his music, Moana, sing, trolls, etc, etc. So anyways, I am just going to continue patting down this foundation throughout my whole entire face. Gotta move that hair so I can make sure I can put the foundation on my skin and not my hair. I'm also going to continue and drag the foundation down my neck so that way there isn't two-tone color going on. That way we all look like one. Now I'm going to be going again with my MAC Pro Long Concealer. I'm just going to be applying this with my flat brush and kind of buffing it underneath my shadow. Not getting close, but not too close. But I'm just going to be packing that right there around my nose. I'm also going to be highlighting my lip, my chin, my nose, and my little forehead I got going on between the brows. And I'm just going to buff that out with my beauty blender. My sponge is wet, FYI. I always use a wet beauty sponge, beauty blender, whatever, it's wet. And I'm just gonna press the product onto my skin, making it nice and smooth, getting it ready for when I apply my translucent powder. Speaking of translucent powder, I'm gonna be going in with my Morphe G35 brush and my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just gonna applying this anywhere where I feel like my foundation might move a little. Next, I'm gonna be using the Smashbox step-by-step contour sticks. They only have contour and bronze. Right now I am going in with the bronze shade, and I'm just pretty much adding a little puzzle piece of where I'm going to be contouring or blending. Now I'm going to be adding the contour shade, and I'm adding just a little bit, just to add a little bit of more warmth onto the bronze. Unfortunately, this brush did not have a name to it, but it is very similar to the Morphe E23 brush, I believe. I always use it to contour, and this brush is very similar. I actually got it through BoxyCharm, and as you can see, I'm just buffing out and just shading everything so it's nice and seamless. I also went ahead and used this brush for my nose. I usually go in with a smaller brush, but I just decided to not drop the brush and just use the same brush. Now I have no idea why my camera decided to go blurry on me, but I am using the MAC Give Me Sun bronzer using my Morphe 142 brush, just bronzing anywhere that I contour, picking up my Plouise palette using Slay, and I am just highlighting my high cheekbones, the temples. I'm also going to be highlighting the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to be going onto my lips as well. There we go. There we go. Oh, yes. Next thing I'm going to grab is my NYX Ombre double-sided pencil. Pretty much one side is a liner. As you can see, I am lining my lips, contouring my lips as well. And then I'm just going to flip it over and it's going to become the lipstick kind of deal. This is kind of dry, so I am going to grab my MAC Myth lip gloss and I'm just gonna smooth out all the harsh edges and making it nice and shiny. Alright guys, this is the ending look of this tutorial. Full face glam out. I got a summer dew, now I got a summer matte going on. Oh yeah, give it to me. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you guys did, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, like it, okay? If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you guys go do that. And if you guys are following me on my other social medias, then maybe you guys should do that too. Other than that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!